Hi, I'm going to guide you through how to best fill out the CDPH 609 form. This form is used for initial change of ownership or report of change applications. It allows the centralized application branch analyst to see what beds or services your hospital would like to add, delete, or modify. The first section of the form is intended to identify the name of the facility, type of the facility such as general acute care hospital or acute psychiatric hospital, and the facility address. The second section is designed to list the existing beds in the facility and the requested beds. For example, if the hospital currently has only 50 perinatal beds and 100 unspecified general acute care beds, then you will mark 50 perinatal beds and 100 unspecified general acute care beds on the left side under the existing beds section. The requested beds section is intended to show what beds the facility would like to change. For example, if you would like to add 2 pediatric beds, you would list a 2 next to the pediatric service. For an initial application for a new hospital, please mark the number of requested beds in only the requested bed section. The approved capacity section is where you list the total number of licensed beds in the hospital. Tip time! Don't worry about filling out this section. It's for our use only. The existing service section follows the same format. Please mark the services that the facility is currently licensed to provide. The requested service section is where you can mark the service that the facility wishes to add. Tip time! Do you wish to remove a service from your license? The best way to indicate this is to list the request in the Other section on this form. For an initial application, please mark the services the hospital is requesting only in the Requested Services section. For a change of ownership, please ensure that services on the Existing Services section match the services that you are requesting on the Requested Services section. If you have any questions on this form, please do not hesitate to contact the Centralized Applications branch for assistance. We are more than happy to help to make the process easier so that you may have more time to do what you do best, which is to provide exceptional healthcare throughout the state of California.